truly mean extraordinary for us. So this story, basically, in a nutshell, is, you know, Canada is an immigrant country, and we are all immigrants. I came here in 1991. I'm the CEO of Tsingtao Canada. And one thing that is, this story is really how the people that were immigrants from 2016 and 2017, because of Hong Kong got a lot of demonstrations, and so Canada launched Stream A and Stream B, different types of immigrant program. And then there were people that came in 2016 and 2017, they got stuck. And the government doesn't have the appropriate law and ways for them to get their citizenship. And so with Peggy on my right and Norman on my left, Peggy's from Vancouver, newsroom, and Norman's from Toronto. We interviewed more than 16 people and with more than 8 reporters. So basically, this series of stories help the government change the policy and help those 2016 and 2017 immigrants from Hong Kong. So although this award feels like an Oscar, and we are winning the best foreign films, but we are Canadian, we are proud of you. Thank you very much.